So you're going to ask your patient, okay, sir, I want you to move your foot going outward, or towards the side. Towards the side there, outward there. Okay, then you can resist that one. Pwede nyo may resist. Then palpate for the muscle here. Ang igawas kaning tendon, ang igawas niya nga tendon will be partly sa yung longus of brevis. Although it's hard to like this, differentiate the two. But if you want, so whatever is longer, so in this area here, that would be for longus. Below here, you have your brevis. Peroneus longus, peroneus brevis. Tendon na ni siya. Ano if ever it's the tendon here sa longus of brevis. Tendon na ni siya. So muscle belly again for peroneus longus, then peroneus brevis.